Okay, first up we have the Commodore 64 and the Commodore Amiga. Which one was better? Now we've got the first contender, which is the Commodore 64 and the SID. The SID has a vibrant, distinctive sound which is used well and can produce some very, very good music. Next up we have the Amiga and the Paula. The Paula isn't as vibrant as the SID chip. Maybe it's lazy programming, but it just doesn't compete between the same game. But the Paula redeems itself when people spend the time programming it and making it do its job, and do its job very well. The SID on the 64 is remarkable because it's a generation earlier than the Paula. In conclusion, the SID kind of takes it because it's just tonally it sounds a lot better. It seems to match, you know, the games a little bit better than the Paula, where the Paula is more clear, it's got a better range, and it can produce more instruments and keep them very, very close to what the actual real instruments are. There's very, very little to touch the SID, which is a generation behind the Paula, and it's very, very good. you wouldn't be disappointed if they were both used in your current machine, in your PC, or used in a synthesizer, or used in some other proprietary technology. They are that good, especially when you compare them to the sound chips on the ST, and you compare them to the sound chip on the likes of the Spectrums and the TIs at the time. Both the Commodore platforms win, and they win hands down. Next up, we're going to have a more technical look at how the Paula and the SID chip, and indeed any other integrated chip that's used to produce sound, works.